Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 10 computer. This is very helpful if you want to connect a new device but can't remember your Wi-Fi password. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select Control Panel. Once it opens, click on Network and Internet. Now under Advanced Network Settings, select Network and Sharing Center. Here you'll see your active Wi-Fi connection. Simply click on the connection name. A Wi-Fi status window will appear. Now click on Wireless Properties. Another window will open. Go to the Security tab. Here you will find the network security key, which is your Wi-Fi password. Just tick the Show Characters checkbox to make the password visible. And that's it. This is how you can find the Wi-Fi password on any Windows 10 laptop or desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.